baby, come and get a piece of mine. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lie.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is going to be my maintenance vlog. I actually just left my house. I'm going to retouch my roots. First time I let her go a little more natural because I was tan, but this time I want to go lighter, so I want my hair ashier, blonder, like I want to be a whole new bitch.
Never gotta sweat that. You could bet that. 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 Never gotta sweat that. Bet that, never gotta sweat that. Bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Right now I'm under the heater. It's a little bit loud here with all the blow dryers and everything, but so far we are all foiled up. She's just letting me heat process for a while, and then I think I'm gonna go under the steamer. But so far so good. Start styling and cutting. As the hair is done, we are blonde. We have layers. It looks so good.
The next day.
So I'm here at the doctor's office. I am gonna get a lip flip today.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting on little daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye.
Is it like hard to talk? Yeah, I was sending my mom a video. I'm like, look at my lips.
Doesn't say that you have
Any points?
Yeah.
I have Aspire, but I don't know if I probably don't have any points.
What's your phone number?
5.
There you are. It doesn't come up by your name and date of birth. That was bizarre. Oh, you do have points. You got 200 points, so $20.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So $50.
Yep.
Yay. I was like, $225. I've never paid that. I was like, for that I should have just gotten filler. Come on. Hi guys, I just left doing my lips. You can't really see anything. It takes 7 to 14 days to go into full effect, but my lips are definitely numb right now. I'm on my way to get something to eat real fast, and then I'm gonna go do my lashes. So today's kind of like a semi-maintenance day, self-care, whatever you want to call it. I blow dried my hair this morning. I got my lips done. I left work at like 12 o'clock. It's now 1, so I'm just gonna grab something to eat. Like I said, go do these lashes. I'm gonna see if I can record a little when I'm there. I always say that, but then I always forget to ask her, just because it's awkward. But yeah, if I can record, I will. If not, I will record when I get back in my car. It's about a 30-minute drive there, so that's definitely why I want to get something to eat real fast before hopping on the highway. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. All right, so I just got McDonald's. Probably not the best idea because, I mean, obviously, your girl's trying to lose weight, but I'm also hungry. Everything else is like $1 million. All we got was a McChicken. It's actually pretty fire. The fries are a little salty, but let's see if sweet and sour can fix that. It's because the salt is really bussin' right now, but a little too much. Alright. Let's take another bite of this. It has a lot of lettuce today, which I actually really like. If you can eat a McChicken without being messy, that's literally a gift. It's actually a really nice day outside today. It's 48 degrees. It was like raining in the last few days, so. I have like one more bite left, and then I'm gonna hop on the highway to go to my lash appointment. So I will catch up with you guys after or during my lash appointment, like I said earlier, but we'll see what I do. I just got in my car. I couldn't record because she was actually rushing. She squeezed me in today. I love her. But this is this place I just went to right there. Now, like I said before, this is like 30 or 40 minutes away from my house, depending on traffic. But these are the lashes. I'm not empty anymore.